Oh, hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. You know what? I just really like watching birds. I really like to watch their behaviors. Being an aviator myself, maybe I just have a soft little area in my heart for them. So here's a video on what I did to cure this issue that I had, all this kind of stale bread and other things. I just didn't want it to go to waste. And what better way but to feeding God's creatures?
One week later.
If you build it, they will come.
Keep flying away. I gotta come up with a better way. Ooh. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there. And as always, God bless.